Call security.
The pool was closed, so we're at the water park. So I'm going to play here.
Hey! I'm gonna make you go through the water. I'm gonna make you do it. I'm gonna make you do it. Whoa, buddy. You're under a water fountain.
We were at the water park
For a long, long time.
yeah.
And we had fun, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do some more fun stuff like this down here.
Yeah, but he still won't play.
I know, typical Ollie, still wanna play still. But you had fun, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, we're at Brick Log Park.
Wall Springs Park.
Rock Springs Park.
Yeah, we're gonna eat a nice little picnic lunch and then maybe walk around.
Yeah, and I have a new backpack.
He has a new backpack?
Yeah.
He got a backpack with a lunchbox in it, so he had to do a picnic today.
And I have lunch inside. We're going to the tower.
Going to the tower?
Yeah.
We're just gonna go through a nice walk through the woods.
Yeah.
There's also a spring over here. We should check that out too, huh?
Yeah. There's a turtle. I really want to jump in.
Yeah.
Yeah, should I? Here are crabs. There's a crab.
There's a crab.
Oh, and there's a turtle too. You're right,
There's
Mama.
a turtle. Let's see if the fish will eat.
The big fish grabbed it, but what are you gonna do with that? That thing's bigger than you are. And it's hard. They're like,
Again. I want to do it again.
they're not eating them. Well, because they're so hard. They
It's a cruel joke.
Who does?
Blue crabs.
The ducks are gonna come
Yeah.
take it. Like we can eat it. Quack, quack. Is it a tower? Did you find it?
Yeah. Right there.
Cool.
I want to go through there.
Yeah, they got this neat little observation tower. We'll show you the views from up top.
Look at that view.
Yeah, that's a nice view, huh?
Yeah, we made it on the top of the tower.
Is it fun? Is it cool?
Yeah, but it's really far down.
Oh yeah. So we are in the sponge dock,
Yeah,
and just kind of cool, a lot of little gift shops.
And we're heading to Honeymoon Island.
What are we doing?
We're at honeymoon.
Yeah, cool. So we're here at Honeymoon Island, and
And we're going to Mexico?
we're not going to Mexico. It's kind of a far swim, but the waves are actually pretty good. We got a couple surfers out here, so I'm gonna see if I can get some video of them surfing.
Hey,
But yeah, it's pretty neat.
let's get video of me body surfing.
We'll try and do that too.
Fail.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. Pretty nice waves for Honeymoon Island standards. So we're heading back home to Tennessee. Buddy, did you have a good time in Florida?
Yeah.
We get to do a lot of fun stuff.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe.
So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Florida.
Going to Florida. Ollie and Daddy 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 going to Florida.